Welcome to Baking with Bunny. Today we're making pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. Let's get started.
Okay. So first we're going to start with a can of pumpkin.
That's yummy. So good. Now what next? Chocolate chips.
Now a cup of sugar. So
I want a cup of sugar.
Okay, go ahead. Put it in. Nice. Okay, now we're going to start mixing.
Ooh.
Okay. Now half a cup of vegetable oil. It's not green.
Pumpkin, Mommy.
It's orange.
It smells so good, Juliana.
There you go, sir.
Here, I'll hold you. Yeah, this is delicious. Yeah, now it's delicious. Look at there. It's getting good. What is that, water? No,
It's vanilla.
Oh, look at this, Juliana.
And then you put this in here. Can we put him down? We'll put him down. Good job.
Woo!
And then keep mixing it.
Juliana, look what's in there. Juliana, look what's in there. It looks like cake.
One more.
Mommy, it looks like cake.
We're going to do cookies.
But it looks like cake, Mommy. Cookies kind of look like that too. Mommy, it looks like cake. Cake is kind of
And then
similar
1
to
teaspoon
cookies.
of
It really
cinnamon.
looks like cake.
Here, Landon, you want to do this one?
7. How many?
Just one. Careful, don't spill it.
It says L. I know it because it's pumpkin spices
This is the
coming
new
up.
one we bought today.
Pumpkin spice! Ah!
We're going to do like half.
Landon! Because screaming at me. One TSP. That's what I feel like. Wait, what are you doing? You're making it even messier.
Oh, Landon, you're supposed to put it in.
I did, but I spilled stuff by some.
Here,
I put
you
some
have
in
to turn it
I
when
just put some in there.
you have to turn it when it's over the bowl.
I put some over there.
Wait till it's over the bowl. There you go.
Chocolate chips. Chocolate. Can I have one?
Yeah, you can pour them in there.
No, put one in here.
Yeah, you can eat them too.
Okay. One.
Yeah, one.
I didn't do nothing yet.
What do you mean?
You just did that powdery thing. Okay. It's my turn. Landon, stop. You're gonna make me spill them. Don't. Stop it, Landon. Landon, why did you spill out the chocolate chip? Landon, why are you eating chocolate chip? One. Open your hand. Open your hand. Can I do one please after
Yeah.
Juliana?
Here, grab this.
What? Juliana.
You can do it next. Grab this. Right in the middle. Good job. Okay, Juliana, your turn.
I can't reach.
And squeeze it. Good job.
You cook it at 350 degrees. For 11 minutes.
For 11 minutes.
For 11 minutes. For 11 minutes.
Stop.
It looks so good and well. Yeah. You don't eat it yet. Okay.
Go ahead.
Mmm. Mmm. It's good. It's good. Now I say it's very good. Yeah, maybe you have one for yourself, right? Yeah. Thanks for watching. And click here to watch this on YouTube. We're not on YouTube. I need to. Sometimes we are if we do baking bunnies on YouTube. If you want this recipe, go to Mommy's blog, ChristinaAldig.com. Now what do I say? Nothing. No fail.